welcome in our Easy to Learn channel. So today our topic is rational number. We discuss about what are the rational numbers. So now discuss about rational numbers. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? Our answer is rational numbers are numbers are in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q. Here P and Q are integer. P and Q are integer. And Q is not equal to 0. And Q is not equal to 0 or Q is greater than 0. Or Q is greater than 0. So now we example 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Here 3 is P and 2 is Q. P is numerator and Q is denominator. P is numerator and Q is denominator. So next we discuss about comparison between rational number and fractional number. Rational numbers and fractional numbers. What are fractional numbers? What are fractional numbers? Fractional numbers can never be negative. Fractional numbers can never be negative. It is also in the form of P by Q. Rational numbers are also in the form of P by Q. But it cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. And rational numbers can be negative. Can be negative. From this we see that all fractional numbers can be rational numbers, but all rational numbers cannot be fractional numbers because fractional numbers can never be negative. Now we discuss find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Find rational numbers between two rational numbers. For this we take one question. Find 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. -3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Our first step is make denominator same. Make denominator same. For this we take -3 by 2, 5 by 3 and multiply 3 by 3 and 2 by 2. 3 3 ja 9, 2 3 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10 and 3 2 ja 6. Here our answer is in the minus. Now we easily find the rational numbers between -3 by 2, 5 by 3. Our answer is minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, 0, 1 by 6 and 2 by 6. It is our answer. Now we discuss about addition. Of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. For this we take example 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. In this also first make denominator same. In this also make denominator same. Our first step is make denominator same. 3 by 2 into 3 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into 2 by 2. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 plus 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Now our denominator are same. Now our denominators are same. Take denominator 6 and add the numerator. Add the numerator. 9 plus 10. Our answer is 19 by 6. Our answer is 19 by 6. Our third step is simplify the answer in standard form. Simplify the answer in standard form. In this, our answer is already standard form. Our answer is already in a standard form. We take one example for this. Our answer is 15 by 3. Our answer is 15 by 3. But it is not simplified. Cut it. 3 5 ja 15. Now our answer is 5. Now our answer is 5. It is in the standard form. It is in the standard form. So by this way we can rational number add. Thank you guys.